Good morning to you all. Today I want to discuss Green Olympiad 2021 to raise environmental consciousness and instill sustainability linked choice amongst youth. Terry undertakes several education and awareness building initiatives. Green Olympiad is a step in this direction, and since 1999 this initiative reaches out to over 2000 schools annually. This Olympiad is for the students of standard from 6 to 12 from schools in India and abroad. Green Olympiad is a premier MCQ based examination on environment and sustainable development and draw its linkage with UN Decade of ESD and Global Action Program. It also addressed goal for Target 7 SDG 4.7, which states ensure all learners acquire knowledge and skill needed to promote sustainable development, including among others through education for sustainable development and sustainable lifestyles, human rights, gender equality, promotion of a culture of peace and non-violence, global citizenship and appreciation of cultural diversity and of culture's contribution to sustainable development by 2030. In 2021, Green Olympiad envisaged inclusion of an additional theme of green skills, which are essential for an overall growth and enhancement of employability of youth. A need is felt to mainstream green skill within the learning ecosystem of children from an early age. Green Olympiad has created a strategic alliance with National Skill Development Corporation along with endorsement from UNESCO Global Action Program on Education for Sustainable Development, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, UNESCO New Delhi, Central Board of Secondary Education, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Army Welfare Education Trust, SCERT Goa, and several other educational departments. Green Olympiad has a massive outreach since its inception. It is not restricted to schools in India, but participation is also seen from schools in Australia, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Fiji, Indonesia, Iran, Kingdom of Bahrain, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Japan, Kenya, Kuwait, Mexico, DF, Nepal, Russia, Singapore, State of Qatar, Sultanate of Oman, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, United States of America, the Bahamas, Turkey, and Turkmenistan. The timeline and details of the Green Olympiad 2021 are: the registration will be from 15th August to 30th September. The registration link is on the website www.terin.org/Olympiad will be active in this duration. Late submission will not be accepted. The theme is environment and sustainable development. Second is green skills. Date of examination: first is environment and sustainable development from 10th November to 15th November 2021. The second green skill examination will be from 6th to 11th December 2021. A student will choose their examination date and slot at the time of registration. The mandatory requirement is to register student must have a unique and valid email ID. The duration of examination will be 60 minutes. The number of questions will be 50 questions. Medium of examination will be English. The certificate will be issued to all participants and merit and distinction certificate will be awarded based on the performance score. The student must take part in the Green Olympiad 2021 if they are eligible and they must take part with preparation so that they may get merit and distinction certificate. I wish you a bright future. Thank you.